welcome back. Here we go. We've got this to put on today. The panel I made last time, or a few videos ago. I've just been trimming all this up, getting it all ready to go in. I've re-drilled these spot welds I put in because then I've got a bit more to play with. I can move all this panel in, you see, one weld not on. So that so I don't warp all the panel. So we're just going to get on with this now and get tacked in and weld it up. So this is what we got. Come out right actually, got a nice and straight along here. All lines up with the front chassis. So yeah, I've done alright. It's pretty good. It's all right. Spot weld on the back. I'm just going to dust this off with a bit of prime. I'm not going to bother taking the welds off, you see, so because this gets rusty quite quick if you don't put a bit of prime on here. So I'm just going to dust it over for now, just to keep it protected. I'm going to go inside now and do the other spot welds around the side, get it all in place. Still got to cut this bit off down here. Still got, this is obviously needs cutting off. So I don't know, I might do this next because I'm here. I might as well just go here and then attack this bit next after this bit. But as you know, I've done this before on the other side, so yeah, I'll probably cut this out, because last time I didn't I did in the end started trying to drill the spot welds out, but that ain't gonna happen. So I've cut this one out, and then what I'll do is probably cut as much of that, well, all that rust out there to there, and then replace all that, put that back on. But firstly, we'll go back to this bit, do the spot welds inside, and then we'll crack on with that first. So I've had a little bit of a mare with the filming. I forgot to press record. I thought I pressed record, but I actually took a photo. So yeah, brilliant. Spot weld all this in. You can see what around there. Spot around this bracket back in. Lovely and solid. So this bit is complete. So I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna cut this out now. Right, probably from about there. Cut that right round to there, right round here, probably there. Give and take a bit of rust there, but and then come up here. I mean, yeah, I think so. I think we're gonna do that. I'll clean this up first. Clean this up. Put some marks in there with a marker to mark it, see where to put it back on exactly the same place, and then we'll crack on with this. Cut this out, make the new plate, tack it all in, weld it up, and put that back on. So I got a little bit carried away, so I ended up doing all this in the end, cleaning up in there, giving it primer, making the plate, this plate here, as you can see, which is basically that plate there, for the exhaust bracket. So I've made that plate now, because it's quite rotten there, so I thought I'd do that bit at the same time. But it does actually fit in there, as it fits in there a treat. That bad boy. So I'm going to crack on with that, and then I'll get on with this bit, make this plate, and then tack it all in. got this all welded, spot welded back on. I've smoothed some of this off, most of this off. As you can see, you can't really tell that I've actually welded it in there. And down the side there, done all that. A little bit I put in. And I've obviously built this round there. Look, really come up really nice. So I'm gonna get this in primer, and then I'll say this is the bracket that goes in there. Drill on that bit. So that's where it was originally going on. So yeah, it goes on there. When I've got to take this off. This bit of metal. There, off this bracket. Clean this bracket up for the exhaust. I'll spot weld it on there, and obviously I've got that one there to go on as well for the exhaust, which is lying around here somewhere, which I ain't cleaned up yet. So that's the end of the video. Thank you very much for coming back once again. Loved the comment about the groove pigeons welding up the rear strut, which I'll show you a quick picture. Appreciate the support, appreciate the comments, like and subscribe, and if you haven't already, get yourself involved, because you know, if you don't get involved, you ain't gonna know.